Welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on machine learning such as face detection, face recognition, supervised learning, unsupervised learning like fruits and vegetable classification, attendance system. Then we have also seen chatbot using Python. And recently we have seen lot of videos on speech recognition and many more videos on login and registration, then face login and this thing in Python. So I thought that why not do some new video on one of the important topic of today's era, that is OpenAI. So we will see what is OpenAI in brief, and we will see introductory program of OpenAI. OpenAI is a current technology which is capturing the IT industry. With a reference with the release of ChatGPT, there has been a lot of hype about artificial intelligence and its applications all over the world, especially amongst the non-technical senior business stakeholders. All businesses want to make use of technology they experience in ChatGPT tailored to their industry and their growth. But how can we achieve that? The answer is straightforward. Business can use the rapidly evolving OpenAI API built and made available by the makers of ChatGPT to create customized solution tailored to the business needs. As beginners, data scientists and machine learning practitioner, we know that OpenAI has been around for a while, even before the ChatGPT type, but most of us weren't using them to solve business problem in the industry. With the progress in recent time, it's more important than ever to understand the API comprehensively. In this tutorial, we will be just see that introduction to OpenAI. Thank you. Now we will go through the program. This is just introductory to OpenAI. This is all about the I have been struggled for lot this OpenAI key. I have been struggled. I think I wasted 2 days for OpenAI key to set the variable. Now we will execute the program. Current date, yes, fine, it is showing the current date. Current time, yes, fine, it is also showing the current time and date. Fine. So I successfully done with OpenAPI introduction. I hope you like this video. This part is very important, very crucial. So be careful. I will be back with more and more creative videos on OpenAI. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python, face recognition, face detection, attendance system, stimuli, then fruits and vegetable classification, image classification, and many more videos. So for latest updates of Python, keep watching my videos on YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.